Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most frustrating Windows Update problems, error code. This error usually appears when Windows Update can't find the files it needs or when system components are corrupted. But don't worry, I will show you every working method step by step so your updates install smoothly again. So let's get started. Method 1. Use Windows Update Troubleshooter. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. Now go to Update and Security. On the left side, click Troubleshoot and then select Additional Troubleshooters. Here, choose Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will now automatically scan your system and fix update issues like missing components or blocked services. Once done, restart your PC and check again. Method 2. Enable and repair .NET Framework. This error code is often linked to .NET Framework missing or corrupt, so follow this. Press Windows plus R key. Here type optional features.exe and hit enter. A new window will appear called Windows Features. Here, enable these two options. .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Now click OK. If Windows needs additional files, click Let Windows Update download files for you. Wait for it to complete, then restart your PC. Method 3. Use SFC and DISM Commands, repair system files. Now open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now type these commands. SFC/scan now and hit enter. Wait for the scan to reach 100%. Now type next command DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health and hit enter. This command repairs the component store, the main cause of this error. After it's done, restart your computer. Method 4. Download update manually using the Microsoft Update Catalog. Open any browser. Visit the link catalog.update.microsoft.com. Here in the search box type your update code, for example. Download the correct version for your system. Install it manually. This bypasses Windows Update and installs the update directly. I hope this tutorial helped you fix error code on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.